What is the cost of different types of flooring materials? If you are planning to install new flooring, here are the costs of different flooring materials. Also, learn about the characteristics of different flooring materials so that you can decide which one is best suited for your home. Vitrified tiles. Vitrified tiles are hard and dense and available in different colors, patterns, and sizes. You can get them in designs which can replicate the actual look of mirror finish Italian marble. The price for good quality vitrified tiles start at Rs 60 per square foot. Porcelain tiles. Porcelain tiles are strong, sturdy, durable, stain resistant, scratch resistant, and have a high density which makes them impervious to water. These tiles are available in a vast variety of colors, patterns, and textures which simulate the look of natural wood and stone. Porcelain tiles start at Rs 55 per square foot. Ceramic tiles are available in numerous colors, patterns, and textures, but these tiles are made of fragile material and have the tendency to crack over time. They are susceptible to stains. Ceramic tiles start at Rs 40 per square foot. Italian marble is a soft stone with a high luster and crystal-like appearance, which imparts a luxurious high-end look to the home. The biggest disadvantage of using Italian marble is that it has the tendency to develop small hairline cracks and it should be periodically sealed and polished. Italian marble starts at Rs 300 per square foot. Indian marble. Different types of Indian marble are available in the form of marble slabs and pre-polished marble tiles. Since Indian marble is porous in nature, it is susceptible to stains. Therefore, marble requires periodic polishing and sealing to make it stain resistant. Premium quality Indian marble slabs start at Rs 80 per square foot, while the cost of marble tiles range between 60 to Rs 120 per square foot. Natural stone. Natural stone is available as Kota stone, Jaisalmer stone, limestone, sandstone, slate tiles, and so on. Natural stone is hard and durable, but since it is a porous material, it has to be sealed periodically. Natural stone flooring starts at Rs 50 per square foot. Cement tiles. Bring an old world vibe to your home with handmade cement tiles. The rich colors and traditional motifs of cement tiles impart an ethnic look to the home. Cement tiles are slip-proof and highly durable. It is available in solid colors and colorful patterns. These tiles start at Rs 140 per square foot, while printed cement tiles are available at Rs 200 per square foot. Terracotta flooring. Terracotta tiles can bring an element of organic warmth into the interiors. These tiles are highly durable, long-lasting, and eco-friendly. Terracotta tiles are porous and have the tendency to absorb water. Terracotta tiles start at Rs 60 per square foot. Hardwood flooring. Hardwood is harvested from slow-growing trees. It is timeless and blends with a modern, traditional, and transitional style decor but requires periodic maintenance. Hardwood flooring starts at Rs 400 per square foot. Engineered wood flooring. Engineered wood flooring comprises a thin layer of hardwood over a plywood base. It is more affordable than hardwood flooring. Its lifespan is around 30 years. Engineered wood starts at Rs 200 per square foot. Laminated flooring. Laminated wooden flooring is an affordable substitute to wooden flooring. This flooring is lightweight and is easy to install. It is scratch resistant and is available in numerous colors. However, the drawback with laminated flooring is that it is not moisture resistant and may get damaged in the presence of stagnant water. Its lifespan ranges between 10 to 20 years. Laminated wooden flooring starts at Rs 120 per square foot.